Want to make content that goes viral? Then you have to make broad content that reaches a broad audience. That can be something like, if it's for business, it can be how to make money online. It's very broad. A lot of people are interested in it, and therefore it's more likely to go viral. But therefore, that type of content usually doesn't actually give you any bookings, doesn't give you any clients, but it can give you a lot more followers. And that way your content will, the other kind of content that you should also produce, will reach a bigger audience. So it's good to do a combination of broad content and narrow content, because the broad content grows your channel, grows your accounts. It doesn't matter what the social media platform is on, it's the same principle. And then the kind of content that gives you clients is narrow content. It's very specific to your target audience. It can be something like how to craft a compelling offer for business coaches, for instance. So when you then have a broad audience, through the broad content, then you will also gain some followers who are business coaches. And then when you make the narrow content, then that will reach them too. So that's how you grow your channel, and in the long run also get clients. But be aware of that the broad content only gives you mostly followers and a lot of views, can go viral also. Whereas it's the narrow content, the specific content that may not get that many views, but that's the kind of content that can actually give you bookings and clients. Give me a like, follow, and subscribe.